Hi, I'm Evelyn from Novastar. In this video, I will talk some general information on our sending box. Today, I will mainly introduce following products: MControl 300, MControl 600, MControl 700, MControl 660, MControl 660 Pro, MControl File, and MControl 4K. Here are all the models I mentioned. For a normal Full HD screen, MControl 300, 600, and 700 will be good choice. The 300 and 600 has net sensor connector, which is mostly used in outdoor screens. MControl 660 is the first controller with LCD screen in Novastar, and it was once best seller in market. Even today, it's popular in some customers' projects and stock. Compared with 600, in 700 we add 2 more outputs instead of LED sensor connector. MControl 700 has 6 outputs that enable screen configuration much easier and more flexible. MControl 660 Pro supports 10-bit, so we add 2 more outputs. Then it also has 6 outputs in total and will configure screen much easier. 660 Pro also has fiber output to support long-distance transition. There is one fantastic point I have to say. 660 Pro is not only a sending box, but can also be used as fiber converter. For 4K resolution screen, we also have MControl File and MControl 4K. Our file capacity is 3840 by 1080 at 60 Hz with 8 outputs, so it's a good choice for 4K by 1K screen. For real 4K screen like resolution of 1496 by 2160 at 60 Hz, we can use powerful MControl 4K with 16 outputs. Both R5 and 4K has fiber outputs for primary and backup with 10G transition. Most rental customers pay attention on low latency, so surely Novastar has professional controller. MControl 660 Pro and MControl 4K are the best workers in this part. There will be almost a 0 frame delay in 660 Pro and 4K when we enable low latency function in software. Last but not least, I have to say with pixel pitch gets smaller and smaller in these days, our customer step by step has higher demands on image quality. So we develop image booster technology in our MControl 4K sending box. This new technology will only be applied in specific models. For now, in sending box, only MControl 4K is available, and in receiving cards, only A8S and A10S Plus are supported. In image booster technology, we do develop grayscale to 22-bit plus, applied accurate grayscale calibration and color management.